Apecoin Ape is a local cryptographic money from the Ape organization, which is liable for the well-known non-fungible token (NFT) assortment, Bored Ape Yacht Club (BAYC). Since its end-off, Ape has turned into the second biggest metaverse token in view of its market capitalization. As per CoinMarketCap, on 5 May 2022, the Ape cost even increased by 15.8% from $14.43, the day preceding to $16.25, after Elon Musk briefly changed his profile picture on Twitter with a BAYC NFT montage. With this rising ubiquity, what might Apecoin cost forecast 2022 be? Could it turn bullish? Peruse on to see specialists' thought process. Non-fungible token, NFT. A computerized resource with an interesting identifier that ensures the holder's only responsibility for resource. Short response. The local digital currency of the Ape network, the framework behind Bored Ape Yacht Club NFTs. Before further examining specialists' expectation for Apecoin crypto cost expectation in 2022 and the next few years, we should learn about Apecoin, Ape first. Apecoin Ape is an ERC-20 administration and utility token utilized in the Ape organization to engage and empower the formation of a decentralized local area on Web 3.0. Apecoin Ape was sent off by Yuga Labs on 17 March 2022. ERC-20. A cryptographic money that is based on, exchanged, and sent over the Ethereum blockchain network. The primary goal of the production of Apecoin, Ape, is decentralization. The engineers point that Ape would permit DAO Apecoin individuals to settle on choices on the biological system's asset distribution, administration rules, future activities, organizations, and different plans. This crypto resource was sent off through an airdrop system that permits specific gatherings of proprietors to get the token as a gift. Today, the Apecoin all-out supply is around 1 billion tokens, and the designers don't want to deliver new ones. Apecoin Ape Cost Development 2022. Walk 2022. On 18 March 2022, its starting date, Apecoin cost expanded by 126.8% or to around $16.47 from $7.3721, as indicated by CoinMarketCap. The cost immediately rose inside just 24 hours. Tragically, around the same time, the cost returned to $14.03 and continued to move sideways until 19 March 2022, preceding it tumbled to $9 on 21 March 2022. On 24 March 2022, the Ape token cost went past $14. Because of developing public feeling over the primary Apecoin DAO casting a ballot. Gradually, Apecoin's value climbed to $15.4 on 28 March 2022, proceeding in the long run, going negative until 30 April 2022. April 2022. In April, Apecoin once went very bullish on 3 events. On 10 April 2022, the coin cost hit $12.27 when California-based cafe, Bored and Hungry, turned into the primary catering administration that acknowledged crypto-based installments like ETH and Ape, as per CoinDesk. On 21 April 2022, the coin climbed to $17.31. After the coin engineer reported that they would participate in an organization with all of XFitness Metaverse to give exceptional access pass to Ape holders who play the Dustland game, as per Medium. On 29 April 2022, Ape arrived at its record-breaking high at $26.19 because of 3 new recommendations proposed to DAO Apecoin individuals for the cryptographic money casting a ballot plan, who are the founders of Apecoin. Apecoin is a decentralized undertaking enlivened by Yuga Labs' Bored Ape Yacht Club project. Apecoin was established to be utilized inside the expanding Ape ecosystem, which is upheld by the Ape Foundation. The Apecoin DAO plans to construct and keep up with the Ape ecosystem in a fair and comprehensive manner, giving a framework to Apecoin holders to team up through open and permissionless administration processes. An authoritative chamber inside the Ape Foundation, the board, will do the choices of Apecoin DAO individuals. The board is liable for the everyday organization, accounting, project the executives, and different undertakings that guarantee the community's thoughts have the help they need to turn into a reality. Apecoin DAO individuals vote on board individuals. 3. What makes Apecoin unique? Apecoin is the Ape ecosystem's administration token, permitting token holders to take part in Apecoin DAO, and giving members a common and open cash can be utilized without unified delegates. 62% of all Apecoin was dispensed to the ecosystem fund, which will uphold local area-driven drives, as decided on by Apecoin DAO individuals. Apecoin additionally gives admittance to specific pieces of the ecosystem that are generally inaccessible, similar to restrictive games and administrations. For outsider engineers, Apecoin is a device to partake in the environment by integrating Apecoin into administrations, games, and different ventures. The Ape Foundation was gifted a one-of-one NFT by Yuga Labs, the makers of Bored Ape Yacht Club. Yuga Labs has passed all freedoms and honors onto this NFT and its hidden work of art to the Ape Foundation. The Apecoin DAO individuals can conclude how this licensed innovation is utilized. 4. What number of Apecoin are there in circulation? The all-out supply of Apecoin is forever fixed at 1 billion tokens, all printed on the double. On send-off day, March 17, 2022, 30.25% will be available for use. This rate will persistently increment following send-off day at normal spans north of a 4-year time frame. The measure of Apecoin available for use is a powerful number that will continually change both due to the previously mentioned plan and a heap of market factors. May 2022. The Ape cost kept its positive development after a worldwide NFT market, OpenSea, declared that it would acknowledge Ape for NFT buys on its foundation, as covered business to community. This declaration moved Ape cost by 24.8% around the same time from $14.06 to $17.52 on 4 May 2022. All through May 2022, Apecoin, Ape, went into a predictable negative example. On 1 May 2022, it started at $22.24. It then, at that point, immediately lost its worth by 37.4% when it arrived at $8.32 on 17 May 2022. At the point when this video was distributed, Apecoin, Ape exchange esteem is at $3.56. Despite the fact that the coin has lost its worth seriously in the midst of the negative economic situation, trusted that Apecoin, Ape, has started its huge recuperation in the wake of tumbling to its most reduced level over the most recent 2 months. Under these conditions,